Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover some information and updates on Berachain. Basically, I saw some tweets about the possible leak of information on Berachain about the possible criteria for the airdrop. It's something that we covered in previous Berachain videos, but today I want to give specific attention to this. So like always in my videos, we are going to go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to get this, that according to some sources could be the criteria for the Berachain airdrop. Of course, nothing is confirmed by the team, so we are speculating on this, but it's going to help you to focus really good in the Berachain possible airdrop. Just to recap one thing, why we are doing Berachain, because it's one of the active big founding projects without the token yet. It's still in testnet on the version 2 of the testnet, and they raised 142 million in founding, so you can confirm that in CryptoRank, and they are super active. The community is growing a lot, and if you're doing this airdrop you need to be in their Discord channel because it's full of information of things that you can do also to increase your chances of an airdrop. Again, this is not an incentivized airdrop, so we don't have confirmation if any of the things that we are doing here is going to serve, but I saw some tweets about leaked information of this criteria that we are going to check now. So according to some information, you can see Berachain locked me because I leaked their new airdrop criteria. This was the statement of this user. 99% of all Berachain users have not met this criterion, and you may be in that list. So he posted how he was blocked from the Berachain X account, and everything is related to the BGT claim and rewards participating in the pools of Berachain. So what is the criteria according to these sources and many others? This criteria is that Berachain team is actively talking about their blockchain being depositioned primarily on Proof of Liquidity. And I look at Dune and some charts that you can find there, you can show the following data. Right now there are 3.3 million users that are trying to do and farm this airdrop on the testnet, but you can see the numbers of people holding BGT. BGT is a reward token if you participate in the pools. Having 0.1 BGT, which is really easy to get, only 6,000 users. Having 10 BGT, 12,000 users. 100 BGT, 800 users. So from 3 million already having 0.1, you are in this basket of 16,000 users, which is a very low percentage, 16k users from 3.3 million. So basically only the 0.5% of the users actually is meeting the minimum criteria. So many people of these 3.3 millions that are farming or doing stuff on Berachain don't actually have any BGT right now. So now I'm going to show you how you can get into this list and how, if this information that seems to be leaked or at least affected the Berachain moderators blocking people from the Twitter account and Discord. If it's one of the criteria or the criteria, then you are going to see now how to get this and get in the best position. I'm going to go super quickly because we covered this in the past, but I will just focus the rest of the video on the best strategy to do that. The first thing is that you need to get the BERA Faucet, and I hear and in our Discord many people sometimes have issues with the faucet. It's not my case, I never have issues, and you have many faucets to get those BERA tokens. Remember, everything is free here because you are using the BGT Faucet and the testnet. So the first link that will going to help you is this, the BGT Faucet. Don't be confused about the previous BGT Faucet that was the version 1. So you need to go to these correct links in order to do all the steps on the correct testnet. If you don't have that testnet, you can go to chainlist.org. Here you can write BERA, click on include testnet, and the one that you want right now is BGT. So from here you just need to put your address here and click on drip tokens. That is the first way to get BERA tokens. The other one with the faucet of quicknote.com, you can go connect your wallet. You need to have a minimum of 0.001 Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet to use this faucet. Select Berachain, and here remember to select BGT, and then you put your wallet, click on continue, and you are going to be able to get also tokens. The other way to do it is with Bricks Mint. This is going to give you more tokens. So you go here, you are in the BERA Faucet, and you need to mint this Bricks Mint NFT that is really cheap with any of the networks that you want. So You can select any network that is available here where you have funds. Then you are connected, you need to mint this NFT, and after you mint the NFT, you are going to get this key, what is called the key. And with that, just put your address here, click on claim, and you are going to receive one full BERA token. So for each key that you have, you receive one BERA. You also can mint this more than once and get more BERA tokens. So this is the way to get a maximum amount of BERA. Other way, if you go to capquest.com, here you also have a faucet. Again, a minimum to hold on Ethereum to claim this. So many options. And if you go to the Discord, you also have Kodiak and also the helper faucet if you have any problems. So many ways to get faucets right now. After you get the faucet and the BERA token, which is going to help you to pay transactions, so don't spend all your BERA, you need to swap BERA for honey and wrap BERA in this case. At the time of recording, I'm going to give you the best strategy. This changed according to the pools over time, but you can do many stuff with honey and also with wrap BERA. So go to the Barshot BX and we are going to swap there. So once you are here, you have your BERA tokens. So select BERA, down here select honey, and you can enter any amount that you want from the BERA that you have. Click on preview, complete the transaction. Then you do the same with the wrapped BERA. In my case, I already did this transaction, so I'm going to show you quickly just to check how to do it. And here you are wrapping some BERA into wrap BERA. If you go to another DApps and another stuff that we already covered, then you may want to use another tokens like STG, USDC, or any of the other tokens. But for the purpose of what we want, BGT, right now you need to do just that. Now the point 3, which is the one that is super important, you need to go to the pools and provide liquidity for the best pair that give you the best percentage of BGT. Right now seems to be honey and wrap BERA at the moment of recording. This could change depending on when you see the video. So now after you swap, go to pools and you can see here the BGT APY. You can see that some pools don't give you any. So if you, for example, provide liquidity on honey and wrap Bitcoin, you are not going to receive any BGT. Right now, these 4 are the ones that give you, and from these 4, you can see the one that give you more is honey wrap BERA, 22.19k. So you want to receive the max amount that you can of BGT. So now let's click here and let's add liquidity. So I will put some amount of honey and wrap BERA. In this case, I put the max of wrap BERA and that will pair me the amount of honey. Just click on preview, approve the honey that you want to expand here, confirm and approve. The same with wrap BERA, so approve the wrap BERA that you are going to spend in the liquidity pool, approve, and now just click on add liquidity and confirm the transaction. Now that you do that, you need to click here on deposit. This is deposit your recipient tokens in the vouch vault to start earning the BGT rewards. So click on deposit. Now here you can see deposit tokens. This is the honey and wrap BERA that we have. So this is 5.73. I will approve this and click on deposit. All the transactions are super stable already in BERA, so you shouldn't have any issues. Remember to always get some BERA tokens for the transactions that you pay, so don't swap everything. And transaction successful, so this is done. Now you can see that this is now activated to claim the rewards, and here you can see the unclaimed rewards of your BGT. Right now you don't have any, but after some time you are going to be starting to see that you can get some rewards. So from now on, each day try to get the faucet BERA, wrap some BERA, get some honey and deposit more. So as much as you can, you will be able to receive more BGT rewards here. So point 4, after doing the step that we just covered, you are generating BGT rewards and you can claim that. And 5 for the statistics to increase that position over time. And remember, just getting 0.1 BGT, you are already on the 0.5% of users. But again, I recommend you to keep accumulating more, to have at least 100 BGT, which is a lot. It's not that easy. You need to really get yourself into Get Faucet and do all this process each day. But remember guys, we are speculating based on this information and of course of what we have been covering from a couple of months already from Berachain. Maybe this doesn't work and maybe we need to do more stuff for the mainnet. Of course, I think on mainnet launch we may need to start doing some stuff also for Berachain in order to participate on the airdrop. But for now, I think it worth to refresh based on some comments about this leak information that the BGT is one of the things that you want. And now for a bonus, I want to give you a next step that I think is going to be important, which is that once you have BGT, you can delegate into the protocol on the testnet. So once you claim your rewards, you can get and have it in your wallet, but I will also recommend you to put some part of those BGT into some of the validators. So once you claim some rewards, I already have some BGT, you can go to delegate. Here you can select one of the validators. There are many to select here, but you can see there are no incentives in these cases, and you can see here the amount of BGT delegated. So I would recommend you to search one, pass a couple of pages here, try one of the first page, and then in another moment try another out of the first 20. But all this is testnet, so I don't think it's going to be super harsh on that aspect. So for example, if I want now, I will click here on Berachain, and you can see I have 0.54 BGT on this account. So let's say that I want to put 0.2 on this validator. So click here to delegate. And I think delegation on validators is also that if the project was mine, I will really care, because here you are doing the full cycle of validation and governance on the protocol besides providing liquidity. So you can see this is successful and you're done. Now you are already delegating here. You can of course unbound this if you want, and you can go to rewards, see your BGT rewards here, and your incentives if you have any. So again, claim some BGT from the pool, but also use part of the BGT to a couple of validators and continue doing those actions. If you want to know what else you can do, then in point 6 you can check more stuff that I covered on previous videos about Berachain. Everything is here on my website. That's all for this video. Remember that if you want alpha information and be part of a community of airdrop hunters that are really making money, join to my private Discord. We are killing it there. Even in these bad conditions, we have strategies and we continue farming. Many people is capitulating, so maybe this is a great opportunity to start and continue doing some of the best airdrops and also to move to a next level. Now you need to get into a different type of airdrops. For example, BRC20 is a great ecosystem to be farming right now. And we also have more secret airdrops that we do in our Discord, or maybe that we don't share in YouTube. So we have more information for you there. And of course my airdrop application, this is a game changer completely. I am doing all my airdrops with 12 to 20 wallets, and I have really more than 70 airdrops active right now, farming in all those wallets. So yeah. Here you have a video on how my app works, and if you like this video, please click the like button, click the subscribe, and click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to check this video, it's super important about airdrop claims, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.